Well, we're now examining postulates and paragraph proofs. And this is example 1, which is found on page 128 in your textbook. And we're given a couple of statements here, as well as a diagram of a building. I can't tell if that's one building or two. I guess it's two. I mean one, with some unusual roof lines. But what we're doing here in this exercise is we're taking this statement and then identifying what this statement tells us from this diagram, and then from there going further as to what postulate proves this statement. And of course, you got your list of postulates for points, lines, and planes, as well as the intersection of lines and planes, both distributed as a handout in your class notebook or your student notebook, class notebook, and also located on page 127 in your textbook. So here's our first statement. It says points A, B, and C determine a plane. So let's identify what we see here. Well, there's point A. White. There's point A, and there's point B, and there's point C, and it certainly does look like it is in the plane, in a plane here, but we got 3 non-collinear points. In other words, the 3 points themselves are all non-collinear. Although we do have some collinear, AB is collinear, and AC is collinear, and BC is collinear, but A, B, and C are not collinear. So let's see, I'm going to go in here to my postulates, and I'm going to scan through there, and there I see postulate 2-2, which says through, I'm going to abbreviate through, any 3 non-collinear points, there is exactly one plane. So we take we look at the statement, we identify what the statement is representing to us from this diagram, and then we find the postulate that proves that statement. Let's look at the second one. Planes P and Q intersect in line M. All right, well, there's plane P, which then it's kind of going up like this and down here like this, and looks like it kind of continues over behind this roof line. And let's get another color. Here is plane Q, which looks like it's running all the way down to here and all the way down to here. But they intersect at this point, or at this section right there. These planes intersect. And we see that that intersection is, in fact, line M. So let's see, I'm going through my postulates. Oh, I see 2.7, postulate 2.7. If 2 planes, we got plane P and Q, intersect, which there's no question but what these planes intersect, then their intersection is a line. All right, so we got statements, and we're proving those statements by identifying postulates. Keep your postulates handy. You're going to need them.